Got a squirrel in a bird's nest. Pretty sure. Hey, what are you doing up there? Would you like a peanut? You must be pretty hungry. See, you're eating a piece of popcorn. Want a peanut? You're way up there. You might as well stay up there. Here. How'd you get up there? That's what I'd like to know. You're a good jumper. Here you go. There you go. Enjoy. Crazy thing. Where you going now? Taking it home? Gonna eat it? I'll come back and check on you. She'll want another one for sure. Oh, she's taking it. Gotta go hide it. Gotta hide it. Those plants are gonna be peanut plants next year. I can't tell you how many of them are in there. Crazy. You crazy squirrel. All right, I'm out.